But it is, perhaps, the most terrifying of all. Perched silently in the trees, it watches. Its talons, as large as a human hand, are powerful enough to snatch a monkey from the branches and crush its bones within seconds. Meet the Harpy eagle. With eyes like daggers, it scans its domain, locking onto anything that moves. Its swoop is silent, its grip unforgiving. A legend in the forests, it has been feared for centuries by animals and humans alike. And when you hear its call, a chilling scream that reverberates through the jungle, you know the hunt has begun.